Did you know there's a town in Texas where a tornado siren goes off, even though the siren was destroyed 45 years ago? In 1979, the Wichita Falls Tornado, one of the deadliest in U.S. history, hit the city without warning. The storm ripped apart homes and even tore down the town's main tornado siren. After the tragedy, the city rebuilt. New sirens, new systems, and a promise it would never happen again. But then, something impossible started happening. Residents reported hearing the siren from 1979. The siren that was destroyed. Same pitch, same sound, same direction. And every time it rings, a storm follows. Not deadly, just enough to make people remember the day the sky came for them. Some say it's a warning from the past. Others believe the storm never really left.